Hey guys, it's Jamie. I know it's been a while. I do appreciate y'all hanging out with me and hanging on. I've just been extremely busy around the house, painting the porches, getting the garden tilled, fooling with the chickens, redoing the chicken lot, and I've slacked in April. I just got to say I have slacked in April, but I'm hoping May will be a little bit better month, and I will keep budgeting and doing the right thing. So I'm waiting on a phone call. Sorry guys, I thought that might have been it. So I'm just going to jump over here, and then I'm going to fix May's bill tracker out, my goals and all that good stuff. But I've got something new coming that I'm going to show you guys. What I've been doing with all the flowers and the plants that I have got grown, I have been selling them. So I have some money here, if I can remember what I've done with it. I put it somewhere. I just don't know where I put it. But it's here. Hang on, I gotta find it. Okay, I found it. I forgot what I've done with it. Y'all, my mind is so crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little savings challenge, and this is the new thing that I'm working on. So I sowed $14 into little seedlings. I know it's not a lot, but it's a little bit of something. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14, and what I'm going to do is put it in this little savings challenge, and this money will go towards chicken feed or, you know, something like that. So I'm going to do, let's see, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm just going to put it in here. And something new that I'm working on is where my husband does do a little bit of work. He is on Social Security. He's allowed to make so much. He's not really been doing a whole lot lately, so that's the reason why I've not been doing savings challenges and stuff like that. But I figure starting in May, I am going to continue using my other book, and hopefully I can get better on track and everything. But what I'm going to do in May is, like, if I sell a plant or something, I'm going to write down the amount that I had sold and keep up with it that way. And in here, but extra money that is brought in, like if he works or something, I'm just going to put it in here and have a place just for that. That way I can see what bill that I can get caught up on, or if I can pay a little extra towards my debt, and just keep it in a separate binder. That way it don't get confusing for me when I'm sitting there going, oh my God, where did that money come from? I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I have a hard time keeping up with stuff lately. My brain is just going crazy, and I've been dealing with some things, mental issues and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get back on track, let you guys know that I really do appreciate you all so much, and to give you an idea of what's been going on, I'm going to sit and talk with you for a few minutes. I hope y'all stay around and listen, because there's been so much. You know, I've been dealing with my brother. My friend, you know, my brother is on hospice. He's still doing pretty good. My friend, she's been battling lupus, and I've been trying to help her out. You know, she'll call me and say, hey, can you come down here to the restaurant and help me do this paperwork, because I'm confused on how to do it. So, you know, I'll go down and sit and talk to her for a while and help her with her paperwork and stuff, just trying to keep everything organized for her. And I'm so disorganized. I can organize everybody else's stuff, but I cannot organize my own. So that's what I'm doing with that. Just doing stuff around the house, you know, painting the porches, the garden, trying to get this done and that done, and trying to get cleaned up around here. On the phone with the Virginia FEMA relief people to see if they can't come and clean out our creek beds and just try to get this clean so we're not flooding anymore. And guys, I'm just so busy. And now I got 5 cats instead of 3 because somebody set those 2 little baby kittens out, which are just so adorable. They're little angels and demons sometimes, but I just, you know, I couldn't leave them outside for something to get them, because we got coyotes around here and they're just precious babies. And I just feel like the Lord has told me, you know, you need to take care of these. So I got 5 cats, 2 turtles, a tortoise, 2 dogs, 11 chickens, and 2 turkeys. So I'm constantly moving and doing things. So just bear with me, guys. When I go to start doing, you know, the layout on the budgets and stuff, I'll try to keep y'all as updated as much as I can. Short videos maybe coming here and there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support. I really and truly I really and truly are thankful for each and every one of you all. And there is a video coming up shortly of me explaining to you what happened. And of course, Mr. Simon's got to make his debut by meowing. But the video that's coming out after this one is going to be a shocker, because I'm still dumbfounded by what happened. So stick around and you'll find out in the next video. Guys, thank you so much. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.